Looking for the perfect SUV to handle Fredericton's winters, summer getaways, and everything in between? Look no further than our 2024 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive, available now at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. This compact SUV is a versatile mix of style, comfort, and practicality, with a price of less than $128 per week. Equipped with all-wheel drive and drive modes, our Terrain tackles icy streets and rainy roads with ease. Heated front seats and remote start make frosty mornings a breeze, while advanced safety features like forward collision alert and lane keep assist give you extra peace of mind on New Brunswick roads. Tech savvy? You'll love the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment, and steering wheel controls for effortless connectivity on every drive. When it comes to cargo, our Terrain's split-fold 60/40 rear seats and flat-load floor create space for weekend gear, Costco hauls, or even hockey bags. And don't forget the balance of factory warranty, plus our 12-month Huggable Guarantee for added confidence. Swing by Jim Gilbert's today to book a test drive and experience our friendly, no-pressure service. Adventure awaits.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way.